Meaning of erratic.
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 Erratic. The term erratic refers to something that is unpredictable, inconsistent, or deviates from a regular pattern. It can describe a person's behavior, a machine's performance, or even natural phenomena like weather patterns. Erratic behavior can be difficult to anticipate or control, and it may lead to unexpected or undesired outcomes. In contrast, predictable behavior tends to be more reliable and easier to manage. Overall, the term erratic highlights the importance of consistency and stability in achieving desired results.